If your car still has that old factory stereo with basic radio and nothing else, it might be time for an upgrade. You are watching Triplezon, and today I am checking out the Fune 1-DIN car radio. It packs Bluetooth, FM presets, USB playback, and more into a compact setup. Let us see how it fits into everyday driving. The Fune 1-DIN car radio is designed to bring modern connectivity into vehicles that may not have come with advanced infotainment systems. Starting with the basics, it includes an FM radio with 18 preset stations. That is actually more useful than it sounds. You can save your favorite traffic station, local news, weather updates, and music channels, then switch between them instantly without constantly scanning frequencies while driving. Beyond traditional radio, this unit supports U-disc and AUS playback. If you have a USB drive loaded with music, videos, or even images, you can plug it directly into the unit and access your media easily. For people who prefer keeping their music offline instead of relying on streaming, this is a simple and reliable option. The AUS input interface also allows you to connect MP3 players, mobile phones, or other external audio sources with the cable. It gives flexibility, especially for older devices that may not support wireless connections. Bluetooth functionality is where this unit becomes much more practical for daily driving. You can pair your smartphone for hands-free calling, which is essential for both convenience and safety. Once connected, the system supports phone book downloads and wireless music streaming. That means you can answer calls without touching your phone and stream playlists directly through your car speakers. The connection process is straightforward, and once paired, it reconnects automatically when you start the car. For those who care about audio quality, the RCA audio output allows you to connect a subwoofer. Adding a subwoofer can dramatically improve bass response, giving your music a fuller and deeper sound. The built-in EQ sound effects and frequency division adjustments let you customize the audio profile. Whether you prefer stronger bass, clearer vocals, or a more balanced surround feel, you can tweak the settings to match your taste. One interesting feature is the audio copy function. It allows you to transfer music from radio, Bluetooth, or aux sources directly to a TF card or U-disc. That can be useful if you want to save certain broadcasts or audio content for later listening. The unit also supports an external microphone, which improves call clarity. With dynamic stereo output and mute options, conversations stay clear even in noisy driving conditions. Control is simple thanks to the included remote. You can start, stop, skip tracks, or change stations without reaching for the main unit, which adds another layer of convenience. Overall, the Fune 1-DIN car radio brings together radio, wired and wireless playback, customizable sound, and hands-free communication into a single compact solution. The biggest advantage is versatility. You get FM radio with 18 presets, USB playback, AOS input, and Bluetooth streaming all in one device. Hands-free calling improves safety and convenience while driving. The RCA output for subwoofer support is great for users who want richer bass and a more powerful sound system. Built-in EQ controls allow audio customization, and the remote makes operation easy without distraction. It is a practical upgrade for older vehicles needing modern features. As a 1-DIN unit, it does not offer a large tree-screen display like double-DIN systems. Video and image playback may be limited depending on screen configuration. Installation may require additional wiring or dash kits depending on the vehicle. Advanced smartphone integration features found in higher-end systems may not be included. If you drive an older car with a basic stereo and want Bluetooth, USB support, and better sound control without spending a fortune, this is a solid option. It is ideal for daily commuters who want hands-free calling and wireless music streaming. Anyone looking to upgrade audio quality with subwoofer support will also appreciate it. That is my take on the Fuyun One-Din car radio. If you are ready to modernize your car audio setup, check the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching Triplezon. If this review helped you, hit like, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.